Hello, this is Turtle, and welcome to my 5th devlog about my open world game, The Tales of Inamia. I'm actually not sure if I want this to be open world anymore, but we're going to keep calling it that because it makes for a good title. Anyway, this month and a half was very unproductive compared to last month. I had so much going on, and honestly, I didn't feel like working on my game. Let's look at what I got done this month. The main objective of this month was the combat system. This actually would have taken about 3 days if I did it last month when I had nothing going on, but it took me a full 3 weeks. Let's see how I do it. I use Unity's animation rigging system to reposition the weapons into the character's hand. For the bow, which took the longest time to make, I added a separate camera, and the main camera transitions to it when you shoot. And when you release the button, the bow shoots and the camera turns back to normal. I also added a visual thing to the quiver so you could visually see how much arrows you have. And the melee system was next. I repeated the animation rigging set up with the bow and controlled the actions using the animation system. I made it so that if you hold down for longer, a marker shows up and you have a more powerful attack. The shield system was next, and it basically is just a repeat of the attack system. Next month, I'm going to add an enemy so I can actually add more to the systems. Next, I decided to make an inventory. It took me so long to figure this out. I first made an inventory system, then didn't like it, so I rebuilt a new one. Then I didn't like the new one, so I went back to the old one. And then I stayed up way past my brain being able to function properly and had a mental breakdown when one of the features wasn't working. And after I fixed that, I redesigned the UI. I don't want to explain everything that happened, so I'll just tell you how the inventory system works. I first utilized the power of scriptable objects. These are so useful because you can store and get the data easily. This makes it super useful if you want a scalable inventory system. You then obtain the data and it categorizes it and puts it in the inventory. And if you highlight any of the items, it puts a description and a picture of what you are highlighting. I then can use this to figure out how many arrows I have and if I can shoot them. But that's all for this month. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you want to support this channel, you can subscribe or buy my other game, The Adventures of Beeman. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.